Have you ever felt the panic when your car breaks down, only to realize you don't have the time or money to pay for expensive repairs? What if I told you that you can fix your car for free, without the need for an expensive mechanic or auto shop? Sounds impossible, right? But trust me, it's not. With the right knowledge and a little DIY spirit, you can reset and repair your vehicle using simple, cost-effective methods that anyone can do. Whether you're dealing with a minor issue like a flat tire or a more complex problem like an engine malfunction, there are easy, free ways to get your car back on the road in no time. The best part? These fixes don't require advanced mechanical skills or special tools. In fact, you can accomplish most of these repairs in the comfort of your home. Forget about expensive diagnostic fees or waiting in long lines at the mechanic's shop. With a bit of patience and these 3 proven methods, you'll have your car running smoothly again without spending a single penny. Imagine how empowering it would feel to troubleshoot your car problems confidently and fix them yourself. Let's get started and unlock the secrets to fixing your car for free, because your vehicle deserves the best care, and so do you. Number 1. Reset your car's battery connection. Your car's battery is like its heart. It powers everything from starting the engine to running essential systems like lights and radio. However, if your car starts showing signs of weakness, such as slow starting or no response at all when you try to turn the ignition, the issue could be as simple as a poor connection to the battery. Don't worry, though, you don't need to rush to a mechanic just yet. With a few simple steps, you can reset your car's battery connection for free and bring your car back to life. Here's how to do it. Check the battery terminals. One of the most common issues that prevent your car from starting is loose or corroded battery terminals. Over time, these terminals, where the battery cables connect to the battery, can become dirty or loose, affecting the flow of electricity. You might notice your car cranking slowly or not turning on at all if this happens. What to do? Inspect the terminals. First, open your car's hood and locate the battery. The terminals are the metal connectors where the battery cables are attached. Check for any visible signs of corrosion, a white, powdery substance, or any loose connections. Tighten the terminals. If the cables are loose, use a wrench to tighten them securely. This will ensure that the electrical current flows properly, which is essential for your car's starting power. Why it works. Tightening the battery terminals helps improve the electrical connection, ensuring that your car gets enough power to start and run smoothly. If your car has been struggling to start, this fix could be the solution. Use baking soda for corrosion. Battery corrosion is a common issue, especially in older vehicles. When corrosion forms, it can build up around the battery terminals, causing a poor connection and preventing the car from starting or performing at its best. But don't worry, there's an easy, cost-free way to clean it. What to do? Create a cleaning solution. Take a small amount of baking soda and mix it with water. This creates a powerful solution that neutralizes the acid corrosion without damaging the battery. Apply the solution. Using a small brush, a toothbrush works great. Dip it into the baking soda solution and gently scrub the terminals. Make sure to clean both the positive and negative terminals thoroughly. Wipe the terminals. After cleaning, use a clean, dry cloth to wipe away any remaining solution and debris. Be sure to remove all excess moisture to prevent rust from forming. Why it works. Baking soda reacts with the corrosion, neutralizing the acid buildup and making it easy to clean the terminals. This simple cleaning solution can improve the connection and boost the battery's efficiency, which is essential for a smooth-running car. Disconnect and reconnect the battery. If your car is still having trouble starting, it might be time to reset the electrical system. Sometimes, all it takes is disconnecting and reconnecting the battery to reset your car's electrical components and clear any minor glitches. What to do? Disconnect the battery. Start by turning off your car completely. Using a wrench, first disconnect the negative terminal. It's usually marked with a minus sign or black. Then, disconnect the positive terminal marked with a plus sign or red. Wait a few minutes. Leave the battery disconnected for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This brief break allows the car's electrical system to reset and can often solve minor electrical problems that are preventing your car from starting or performing optimally. Reconnect the battery. After waiting, reconnect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure the connections are tight and secure. Why it works. Disconnecting the battery for a few minutes allows the car's electrical system to reset. This helps clear any stored errors or minor electrical glitches that might be affecting performance. It's like giving your car a quick reboot, and it's completely free. Number 2. Fix a flat tire using the DIY method. Getting a flat tire can be one of the most frustrating car problems, but don't panic. Fixing a flat tire is easier than you think and can be done quickly with a few simple steps. With a little patience and the right tools, you can get your car back on the road without spending money at a repair shop. Here's how to fix a flat tire using the DIY method. Locate the leak. The first step in fixing a flat tire is to find the puncture or leak. This can be tricky because, at times, the hole can be tiny. But with a few simple tricks, you can locate it. What to do? Inspect the tire visually. Start by checking the tire for any obvious signs of damage, like sharp objects sticking out, nails, screws, or glass. Run your hand along the tire's surface to feel for any sharp objects. Use soapy water. If you don't see any obvious damage, use soapy water to find the leak. Mix a little soap with water in a spray bottle or bucket. Spray or pour the soapy solution over the tire's surface, particularly around the sides and the tread. Watch closely for bubbles forming. This means air is escaping, and you've found the puncture. Check the valve stem. Don't forget to check the valve stem. Sometimes the issue might be with the valve rather than the tire itself. Why it works. Soapy water makes it easy to spot tiny holes or leaks by showing where the air is escaping, even if the damage is small. Seal the hole. Once you've found the puncture, it's time to seal the hole. This is a temporary fix, but it will get you back on the road until you can get a full repair. What to do? Use a tire plug. If the hole is large enough, you can use a tire plug often included in a tire repair kit to seal it. Insert the plug into the hole using the tool provided. Push it through until it's firmly in place, and then cut off the excess plug material. Use a tire sealant. For smaller holes or more difficult to reach punctures, a tire sealant can be a great solution. Simply spray the sealant into the valve stem. The sealant will fill the hole and harden, creating a temporary seal. Number 3. Reset the car's check engine light. The dreaded check engine light cell can be one of the most annoying things to see on your dashboard. While it often signals something serious, it can also appear due to minor issues or even glitches. Before you rush to the mechanic, there are a few simple ways to reset the check engine light yourself, saving time, money, and a bit of stress. Let's dive into the easy steps to reset that pesky light and get your car back to running smoothly. Turn the engine off and on. Sometimes, your car's check engine light might come on due to a minor glitch or a temporary issue with the engine system. The first thing to try is simply turning your car off and on. This quick restart can reset the car's onboard computer and clear the light if the problem was temporary. What to do? Turn off the car. Start by turning off your car completely. Wait for a minute or so to let the car's system reset. Turn the car back on. Now, start the engine again. Often, the check engine light will reset itself after this simple restart. Check the light. If the light stays off after restarting, you've solved the problem. If it comes back on, try one of the other methods. This method essentially reboots your car's computer system. If the issue was minor or temporary, turning the engine off and on may be enough to clear the warning light. Another method is to disconnect the battery. If the check engine light persists, one more powerful method to reset it is to disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This method clears the car's memory, including any stored error codes, effectively resetting the system. What to do? Turn off the car. Make sure the engine is completely off. Disconnect the battery. Use a wrench to loosen the bolts on the battery terminals. Start with the negative terminal and then disconnect the positive terminal. Leave the battery disconnected for about 10 to 15 minutes. This time allows the car's electrical system to reset. After the wait, reconnect the battery terminals, starting with the positive terminal. Turn the car on and check if the check engine light is still on. Disconnecting the battery forces the car's onboard computer to reset completely, which can clear any issues stored in the system. This is a more thorough method if the other methods didn't work.